Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Bestech 1701 here with me for a quick maintenance video because this guy needs probably a little bit of love, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get into this one because it's an interesting one, very simply made, but I think we can improve a little bit the action on this one. So we're just gonna need a T6, and let's see if we can just pop this one handle screw out, like so. And let's see if we can just do it like with this pivot over here. And we should be in business. Very, very straightforward disassembly I am expecting from this one, because like that, let me see, maybe we want to push this guy out like so, flip it around, and just the scale should technically pop open. Right, so let's just remove the blade like so. And this scale just opens like that. Very good. So let's just clean this up. I call swab, like here. There's a little bit of grease. That grease, which I don't know, guys. I really don't understand why they're using this thick grease. It's slowing down the action, in my opinion. And it's not making it smooth. So okay, skeletonization is not like let's say not looking elegant on the inside, but I appreciate the effort. I mean, this is a what, $180 knife, so it's not like that cheap. So they better be doing, you know, okay, S35 yen, which is good. I don't see any detailed ball ramp. I'm seeing internal skeletonization. I'm seeing ceramic ball, caged bearings. I'm seeing stainless steel lock face insert. I'm seeing hardened stainless steel washers between the bearings and the titanium, which is always a good thing to improve the action. I'm seeing a lot of thick grease here, which we are going to promptly remove, like so, and just right out. Nice stainless steel lock face insert, guys. I'm kind of like impressed. I'm seeing a titanium blue anodized backspacer right over here, which is matching the pocket clip, and it's, I have to say, nicely done. I can see some milling marks, but again, we are in a range that, yeah, I think we can consider that acceptable. What do you think? Also, this guy goes like this, right? Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really matter. We're just gonna have it match the other Bestech that we have in the house, which is this guy, it's the dolphin. It's really cool. So let's just do it. And this is the bearing that goes in, and just a little bit of oil right over here, and then you guys get your blade right over there with the bearing right over on top, and a little bit of nano oil like so. And then you take, and that was, by the way, 10 weight, and this guy is 85 weight, just for the detent ball. This guy is gone, and we are going to just put it back in record time, because we've got everything in place like so. Make sure that the stop pin is in place, and let's just take this handle screw like that, pop that in, don't over tighten it, take your kind of like flathead screwdriver, coin, bit kind of tool, whatever you want. It's gonna work. Just be gentle. Okay. Yeah, I need. Oh yeah. Needs just a little bit more, right? Blade looks a little bit off center, so let me see. Stop pin is in place, and the blade looks pretty dead center to me. And let's check this action over here. No blade play. Honestly, the action didn't improve that much, a little bit actually. It's also brand new, so this guy needs a little bit of breaking in period, but actually centered, no blade play, false shot, just a wiggle to have it closed. Not too shabby, actually, not too shabby. Not super impressed, but we improved it. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.